What up, what up? It's your boy Smooth One with Triple B Barbecue. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make, from scratch, an Alabama white sauce. I got 2 chickens from Walmart, two whole chickens. It was like $10 a bag, 2 whole chickens. We're gonna spatchcock them, season them up, and throw them on the smoker. Then we're gonna make Alabama white sauce. And it's really simple, it's really easy, it's very tasty, and it's tangy. But we're not gonna base the chicken with the white sauce like you would normally do with a regular barbecue sauce. When the chicken is complete, probably pull it at about 160. We're gonna make enough of this white sauce that we can dump the whole chicken into and throw it on the cutting board and just let it chill. And that acts as a couple of different things. The mayonnaise that's in the sauce, I know y'all thinking mayonnaise nasty, white folks and they mayonnaise, but look, I'm telling you, don't knock it till you try it. You got to do it. Just make you up a little bit, add a little bit of everything that I'm gonna show you, and just taste as you go, because I mean, it's really hard to mess this up, man. You put too much vinegar in there, it can get a little bit too tangy, but you can always counteract it with some other stuff. Now, at the end, I'm gonna let my kids try it out and see how they like it. Y'all get their reactions or whatnot. But yeah, man, we're gonna make this video short and sweet and to the point. So y'all get your shit together. Let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the white sauce. Make sure you got some extra hot horseradish, some apple cider vinegar, a couple of lemons, some mayo, some French's yellow, or just whatever prepared yellow mustard. And then I got a mixture of seasonings of black pepper, salt, garlic, paprika. It's got cayenne, it's got some maple syrup powder, it's got bourbon powder in it. So you know, it's got all the good stuff in there, but this is what we're gonna start off with. You don't have to have all that other stuff, just some regular salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, a little bit of cayenne, and you ought to be golden, man. So let's get this started. So we're gonna go in with about 2.5 cups, 2 to 2.5 cups of mayo, man, to start off with. We're gonna wind up throwing this whole jar of extra hot prepared horseradish, going in with a little bit of seasoning, probably about 2 tablespoons. Going in with just a little bit of apple cider vinegar to start off with. We're gonna cut up a couple of lemons. We wind up using in this recipe, I end up using 1.5 lemons as far as just the juice. So then we get that all ready and put that in there. Gonna stir that up, get it good stirred up real good, because you want to thin this mayo out as much as you can, because you want it more runny than you do thick. That mayo is going to serve a big purpose when it coats that chicken. It's going to help lock in all the juices from escaping. A little more vinegar, some yellow mustard, probably about, I'd say, half a cup. Stir it up real good. Go in with a little bit more seasoning, This is really a pepper forward sauce. You really want to taste the pepper. We're gonna season the chicken as well, but throw in a little bit of garlic in there to taste. Make sure you mix it all up real good. As you see, I went to a whisk because this is getting very viscous. Throwing in a little bit of black pepper. And like I said, this isn't rocket science, man. Just taste as you go. Add what you like. It really doesn't matter, man. You really just want this sauce to coat this chicken real good. It's gonna be real nice and tangy. I went in with another half a lemon, so that's a total of a lemon and a half. Tasting it, oh yeah, we straight now. Hell yeah. So here's my 2 chickens, man. So these 2 chickens I got from Walmart, like I said. Please don't rinse these off. Just pat them dry with a paper towel. Alright, so we're gonna go down with some wing sauce. Don't nothing go better with chicken than some hot wing sauce. So we're gonna use that as a binder, just so everything sticks real good, because remember, we patted everything dry extremely well with a paper towel. We're gonna get that real good. Make sure you get pretty good coverage all over, that way your seasoning stick good. Going down with the same seasoning that I used for the Alabama white sauce. Throw that on there, try to get every little nook and cranny. It ain't gotta be crazy, but same thing on the top side. Just rub it all in, massage that hot wing sauce all on it. Or whatever you want to use. You can use Worcestershire, you can use whatever you want to use. Mustard, whatever. Make sure you get everywhere. Like I said, it's pepper forward, so whatever you use, make sure it's got a good bit of pepper in there. I'm going in there with the sous vide gun to get my pellets going real good. I found that using one of these pellet sticks for some added smoke puts off a lot more smoke than your regular pellet grill, if that's what you're gonna use, which what most people are using these days is pellet grills. The whole reason why I got one. We're going at 250. We're gonna throw them in breast side towards where the fire pot is. That way they can get the grunt of the heat. And we'll move the chicken to the other side halfway through. But it shouldn't take no longer than about an hour and a half. Alright, so it's been about an hour and 45 minutes, man, and we there pulling these birds at 160. I like juicy breasts, man, so I think every man does. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna throw these chickens off, put them inside, and I'll see you in there. Alright, man, so just pick these birds up, dunk them in best you can, get good coverage, and lay them out on the board so they can cool off. Let everything meld in, and then you golden, man. Right here is where I wish I would have deboned this chicken before I would have cooked it, man. It would have made slicing everything a whole lot easier. If y'all want to see a video on deboning a turkey or a chicken before you cook it, let me know, man. It makes things so much easier. And hey, look, Thanksgiving, you cook that turkey, when you go cutting into it, and the way you lay it out, because you was no bones in there to be in your way, man, it just makes for a beautiful, beautiful presentation for the family.
learning now. Do not play with fire, you be burning out. It's like butter, baby, butter when I churn it out. They gon' talk behind your back until you turn around.
Alright, here go the taste test. Y'all eat it at the same time.
That's it.
Yeah.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Alright, good deal. Alright, well, ain't nothing left to do. I tried myself. This is it all, folks. You put your head down and shake it. That's it.
Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good.